Okay, afternoon, it's the 4th of March, so I thought I'd do a quick update on my layout as I've not had one for a while. First up, show you some of the new items that we've got on the layout. Just recently got the Hornby Colas rail class 66, and I've had lights installed in it. So we've got headlights and tail lights at both ends. Changed the NEM couplers for KDs. Front bogie drive, rear wheel just pick up. Good model. Okay, next up we've got the Hornby Network Rail Class 31. Another superb model by Hornby, all-wheel drive, directional lighting, operating roof fan, opening doors, the usual business. So can't really see it because it's really sunny outside, which is very surprising for March. But the lights are on. You've got the head code at the top, and there's a white light at the bottom, and then you've got the rear lights, or the tail lights there as well. Can't really see it, but I'll do a better video of all these in the next couple of weeks. Okay, next up is the Network Rail HST. Superb model, all-wheel drive, same spec as all the other HSTs. Sprung buffers, directional lighting, cab doors open, roof fans rotate, all-wheel drive, and the coach pack that goes with it as well. And the dummy. And finally, bought this about a week ago. It's the Rail exclusive limited edition twin pack DRS Class 37s, both made by Bachmann. So first up, we've got 37688 Kingsmore TMD. Usual Bachmann quality, sprung buffers, twin bogie drive, 21 pin decoder, cab lights, directional lighting, which again doesn't show up very well because of the sunshine. That's one. And finally, the other 37, here it comes. This one's 37510, doesn't have a name on it. Again, you've got directional lighting, cab lights, all the usual bits and pieces. So I'm very impressed with those two. Then we've got the DB Schenker Class 59 and the Network Southeast VEP over in the station. Both just come back from Olivia's and have got sound fitted. I'll be doing a video of those two later on this week. And then tomorrow I'm off to Sheffield again to get some stuff done, but I haven't quite decided what to take with me. I dare say it'll probably be the Class 31 and probably the DB Schenker Class 37 Rail exclusive limited edition there. And then finally, over in the corner, as you can see, there's the Network Rail Class 37. See the other video for review with sound. You will notice the turntable is now gone and it's been redeveloped into excuse me, a depot. That's going to be the Network Rail depot when I finished it off. I need some more buildings, vans, etc. It's not staying like that, that's just for now. The long siding, that's got the curve in it, that's for the HST, and then you've got 37 there. The 31 goes in one of the other sidings, and then I'm looking at getting the Class 73 when Hornby release it, getting some lights installed in that, and that will probably also go in there as well. So we've got the Network Rail wagons there. Dapol are supposed to be releasing their, I can't remember what they're called, the big ballast wagons by Network Rail. They're due imminently, so I'll be getting them, and they'll be going in one of those sidings there. Apart from that, not a huge amount changed, apart from over there, which had quite a few designs before I finally stuck with that. But the rest of the layout, pretty much the same as it was. A couple of bits have been sold on eBay, a couple of bits will be going on eBay. Apart from that, not a huge amount's been going on, but we'll keep you updated. Like I said, I'll do those 2 new sound videos later this week, as I'm off this week on holiday.